Everyone, welcome to Likita's Foodie Studio. I'm back with one more exciting video on the secret health benefits of uncommon spices, exploring nature's potent, often overlooked superfoods to elevate your health with flavorful, functional ingredients. So, why these uncommon spices beyond our normal turmeric and cinnamon? Many familiar spices offer limited benefits compared to their obscure cousins, which are rich in unique bioactive compounds, often with higher concentrations. Traditional medicine systems like our Ayurveda have always used this for millennia, leveraging their inherent therapeutic properties. Modern research increasingly reveals their potent anti inflammatory, antioxidant, and therapeutic properties, validating traditional uses. So let's start our uncommon spice series with the sunshine spice saffron. Derived from Crocus sativus flower stigmas, saffron is the world's costliest spice, approximately $2,000 per kg. So let's look the benefits of saffron. Saffron contains crocin and saffronol. As per the studies, efficiency comparable to fluoxetine for mild depression, and this enhances everyone's mood. So, what's the use of saffron in vision health? Crocin protect retinal cells. Clinical trials indicate improvement in age-related macular degeneration symptoms, and high carotenoid content combines oxidative stress, promoting cellular health, which is a potent antioxidant. Next in the series is the Nigella sativa, that's our black seed, which is famously known as the blessed seed. So, what are the key benefits of this blessed seed? This black seed is a immunomodulatory. The thioquinine is the primary active component, significantly supporting immune function and regulation. This also has a key role in respiratory health, which is shown to relax bronchial smooth muscles, effective in reducing asthma symptoms and improving lung functions. And black seed is also an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. The phenolquinine provides significant anti-inflammatory benefits, reducing the systemic inflammation markers and combating the free radicals. Next is the sumac, the tangy powerhouse. This sumac is exceptional antioxidant. Sumac boosts an oral value often cited as higher than many fruits due to its rich content of anthocyanins and tannins. It is a good blood sugar regulator. Research suggests that it can significantly reduce blood glucose and insulin levels in type 2 diabetes patients, aiding in metabolic control. And it's also an anti-inflammatory. Traditional use for fever and inflammation is supported by modern studies, showcasing its efficiency in combating systemic inflammation. Our next uncommon spice is fenugreek, the multitasking seed. This fenugreek is a great glycemic controller. It supports lactation and cholesterol reduction. This fenugreek is soluble fiber that can reduce post-meal blood glucose by up to 50% in diabetics. commonly used to increase breast milk supply by up to 500% in nursing mothers, a significant natural aid. And this also helps lower LDL, that is the bad cholesterol, by 20 to 25% through its fiber content, contributing to cardiovascular health benefits. Cardamom is our next uncommon spice that's an aromatic digestive aid. Contains phenol known for carminative properties, effectively easing bloating, gas, and indigestion after meals. Cardamom is also good for oral health. Potent antimicrobial properties fight oral bacteria responsible for bad breath and captivities, promoting fresh breath and dental hygiene. Cardamom is also good for blood pressure management. Some studies suggest a mild hypotensive effect, aiding in blood pressure regulation and supporting overall cardiovascular well being. Galangal is our next zesty anti inflammatory spice. As we already said, it has a potent anti-inflammatory properties, rich in galangins and gingerols, traditionally used for arthritis and significant pain relief. This is also good for digestive soother, eases nausea, vomiting, and indigestion, stimulates digestive enzymes for better food breakdown. Lastly, it is an emerging anti-cancer research. Early studies show potential inhibitory effects on various cancer cell lines like colorectal and ovarian, indicating promising future applications for anti-cancer. Now, let's look how do we integrate these uncommon spices into our diet. We can infuse saffron in rice, milk, desserts, steep threads for a calming tea. We can sprinkle the Nigella sativa on bread, that's naan, salads, vegetables, toast lightly to enhance the flavor. Sumac can be dust over hummus, grilled meat, salad, mix with olive oil for a vibrant dressing. Fenugree is a seed that can be added to curries, stews, steep in hot water for tea, and use fresh leaves in dishes. Cardamom, when grinded, coats for aromatic coffee, invigorating tea, delectable desserts, or rich curries. Finally, galangal you can slice into soups, curries, stir fries, and use fresh or dried. A little goes a long way. Concludingly, uncommon spices offer profound evidence backed health benefits extending beyond basic nutrition. From mood enhancement and vision support to immune modulation, their therapeutic potential is truly vast. Embracing the culinary exploration to boost our well being naturally, adding diverse flavors and health properties. A small addition of these potent spices can make a significant difference to your daily health and overall vitalities. Did you like today's video? Let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel for more culinary and health related contents. Also, like, share, and subscribe for our YouTube shorts to follow 50 Fantastic Salad and Detox Smoothie series. I will see you all with one more exciting video on Another interesting and inspiring culinary content.